Hey everybody,
Hey guys.
we're the Nerds and we're here today in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. We're literally right in the heart of Gatlinburg. Right behind me is the Space Needle, the beautiful mountains,
Yep.
got the chairlift over there, so much to offer right here. And we're at the Courtyard by Marriott. We have a 2-queen room with a balcony with that amazing view you just saw. So let's head inside, check out the hotel, and check out the room.
Let's go.
Heading into the hotel. Nice little trees out here. Nice little covered area to check in at. They do have luggage carts here in the front as well. You can see all the balcony rooms there. There's some there as well. And we're in that little second one down right there is where our balcony room is. And then right as you come in, you got the luggage carts here. And then you continue on, front desk, and the lobby area right here. Right as you come into the hotel, you're greeted by this huge fireplace, double-sided, so you can see it from here in the little sitting area, or you can see it from where you're eating at over there. They got a little bistro over there serving coffee from Starbucks. They have a little bar area, restaurant area over there as well. A little TV with the weather right there. Front desk check-ins right there. Look at that fireplace. That is absolutely amazing to walk into a fireplace like that. Just past the check-in desk, they got some seating areas over there, some conference rooms. A whole lot more seating areas over here. There's a TV on the wall back there. They have a little business center over there. They have a beautiful courtyard out here. It's absolutely silent and peaceful. You wouldn't even know you're in the heart of Gatlinburg right now. TVs, ceiling fans, some nice seating arrangements over here. They also have some nice rocking chairs over here as well. More ceiling fans. Lots of flowers and plants back here. And you can hear right now, you just absolutely quiet back here. You wouldn't realize that, 3 minutes on the road, walking wise, you're in the heart of downtown. They have a fire pit out here. Lots of seating around the fire pit as well. And they have more seating over here with a little umbrella on it. And that's where it leads to the hot tub and the pool. Look at the rocks and the flowers, and it's just a nice place to be back here. Look at some of the rooms. They do have some balcony rooms on this side as well. It looks like most of the balcony rooms are on the same side that we have, which would be facing towards like the Space Needle. And then the indoor pool is right here. Hot tub back here. By the hot tub, they have a few lounge chairs out here. They got the umbrellas as well, so you can get sun or get some shade if you want to. Looking back to the courtyard. It's our first time staying at a Courtyard by Marriott property. So I love this courtyard idea. Fantastic idea. So peaceful out here. Have a morning coffee out here, it'd be fantastic. Look at this hot tub, 4 feet deep. You can literally see the steam coming off. That's a nice size hot tub. Love the L shape on it and everything. And if you're out here in the hot tub, this would be your view of the courtyard and how quiet it would be out here too. Indoor pool goes to 5 feet deep. That door out the back there is where you go to the hot tub area, then eventually to the courtyard. They also have all your pool towels you need right here as well. We are room 408. This is a 2-queen room with a balcony. And Steph, hey!
Hi.
Right as you come in, there's the room straight ahead. Bathroom right to your right. Tons of counter space in here. Some storage down below. You get some amenities right here. And you have a nice sized mirror. Hello, buddy. Plenty of lighting in here too. It looks very clean in here as well. Got your shower over here. Nice shower head. Again, very clean in the shower area. There's some of your shower amenities right there. Plenty of towels here. You also got your standard toilet. And then turning back this way. Back to the room, you get a full length mirror here. Very nice.
Is it a mirror?
I don't know.
Or
It's
is
a
it
secret
closet?
passage. It's a secret passage to the iron and iron board. So
Iron.
Iron. Get the iron in there. You got the little clothes bag too. I like that though. A lot of times they're sliding or always falling off tracks or hard to move. I like the little secret passage. That's cool. Coming into the room here. A very nice room. I love the mural on the wall. Reminds you exactly where you're at, the Smokies. Really beautiful. There's a full mirror right here. Or pretty much a full mirror. Hello again, everybody. I like the fact too, these lights right here in the mirror, each side is separate. Also, these lights on the ceiling, sets of 2 are separate as well. So if you want some lighting just on one side of the bed, you can fully control how much you like on there. And look at this, a Timex clock. I grew up like Timex watches. I didn't even know Timex still was a thing making clocks or watches. That's pretty cool. USB ports there, plugs right there, another USB port there. And then turning back around, right behind us, got the TV. TV is a little bit small, but you know, if you're in here watching TV, why? Look out that window. Hope you can see it. You can barely see it. You got the Smokies right there. But TV there, desk, really nice desk area. Got a little light here for it and everything. And you also up here have a couple of plugs and another USB charge port. There's even some accent lighting above the TV there. You have some glasses right there, TV remote, ice bucket, trash can. Down here is just going to be your storage. So you got some storage down here. And a nice spot to put your luggage rack right there, or your luggage rack. Nice spot to put your luggage right there. Over here, AC. We love the air con, right, Steph?
Oh yeah, gotta have some air con.
And this chair is very comfortable. So you got the ottoman in the chair here, with a reading light above it. So I mean, you're in good shape right here. And something cool about this light. There's 2 plugs right here. So Stephanie does a lot of reading. So if you're reading like Stephanie, not just physical paper reading, but like on your Kindle or your tablet, you can plug it in or plug your phone in right behind you. Get comfy and then enjoy the view out here. You can see a little better now. But this is a really cool looking room. I love that mural. Right behind us, more lighting, looks really nice.
Where's the
You got
fridge?
all your coffee stuff here. We got to find it. And then right beside the coffee stuff, you do have a couple more plugs right there. Where's that fridge, Steph?
Right there.
This is really cool. This is something simple, but most places you come down like to here, get your fridge. This is just nice and convenient just to have it right here. So nice clean fridge. Also, it's a good height there. Got your microwave there as well. So that's really nice.
Is it
And,
clean? It's very clean.
Very clean. Spotless hotel, really.
Really?
It's very clean. Friendly staff. And it all hides away too, which is very nice. And this balcony, y'all, not only is it a fantastic view, it's huge. It's a very good sized balcony. There is a light out here too. That light is controlled by the switcher right here. You can turn that on or off if you want to. Leave it off. And there's your view. Wow. We do have 2 chairs out here and a little table. But again, look at how big this balcony is. Little steps inside. This is a huge balcony here. Now, like Stephanie mentioned, very private. On both sides, you have full walls and everything. So there's no shared balconies or nobody can see you. It's very private. And then parking lot down below. The check-in entrance is right over there. There's the Space Needle straight ahead. Get the chairlift back behind it. Just an amazing view from here. The fire department's right over there. It's gonna look amazing at nighttime. And we're in town for the Gatlinburg Chili Cookoff right now. And so the Chili Cookoff, you can see those flags right over there. It's just past that. So this is a fantastic location to quickly walk over to the Chili Cookoff. But that view is what I'm loving right now. Space Needle, the glass bridge, the chairlift, then the beautiful fall colors. So that was our stay at the Courtyard by Marriott in downtown Gatlinburg. Love the hotel, very clean, great staff, fantastic location. You can't beat that location. And the only thing I didn't like was the water pressure. Not great water pressure, but everything else is very clean. That courtyard out back was very nice. Didn't swim in the pool or the hot tub, but the hot tub looked amazing. What do you think, Steph?
It was very nice. We weren't here for a long time because we were out most of the night, but the bed was comfortable. The shower was nice. It's clean. I liked it.
Yeah. We'll put a couple other videos in the description below, like the Margaritaville, the Hampton in the area, so you can get a couple other options. But definitely recommend it. This time of year was about $300 a night. So you are paying a little more to stay in the Gatlinburg city, but again, the location, you don't have to worry about parking or nothing. You could be on the strip in, what, 4 minutes probably, Steph?
Yeah.
Walking wise. So that's a huge plus right there. So this is our first time at a Courtyard Marriott. We're Hilton members. So a lot of times we do stay at Hilton. But very nice. Maybe stay at some more Marriotts in the future. So that being said, be sure and check out our videos from the other hotels on below. Great stay up here. The rates will change throughout the year. But the nerds are
out.